Hello, ladies. Yes, it's me. Finally, I am able to make a new video for you Shima girls. Yes, I have been working so very hard behind the scenes to restock all of my Shima hair products and bring your favorite Shima hair products back to you. And so, yes, that's what I've been up to, working so very hard behind the scenes for you ladies, for all of us, so that we can have all of our Shima hair products back, so we can get this thick, beautiful, apple textured hair growing again. And so guess what? I finally managed to get my second Shima hair product back, which is my Shima hair repair shampoo. So yes, this is back in stock, ladies. Thank God, right? This is the 8-ounce Shima hair repair shampoo. I also do carry the 32-ounce, but I still have to work on getting the big bottles for that again as well. But the 8-ounce Shima hair repair shampoo is definitely back. So say hello to your little friend. Shima hair repair shampoo is back, The Shima hair repair shampoo is back, Now I'm working on bringing back our Shima hairline creams, and I'm also working on bringing back our Shima hair repair leave-in conditioners as well. So hold tight for that. Hold tight, because Shima's on the job, okay? Shima's on the job. Okay, so now in case you are a newbie and don't know the benefits of this shampoo, the Shima hair repair shampoo, or if you're a long-time Shima girl, you've been rocking with me for years, listen up, let's get a refresher course, okay? If you're a newbie, listen up, and if you're a long-time Shima girl, listen up, okay? We're going to understand why the Shima hair repair shampoo is so important for our Shima hair growth journeys, ladies. All right, one of the main purpose of me creating my Shima hair repair shampoo is to help us repair, to help us renew, to set the foundation for detangling and add moisture and help us grow afro textured hair to great lengths. Our hair, okay, our type of hair, real afro textured hair, okay? This hair can grow to unbelievable lengths, but we need the right products, okay? We need Shima hair repair shampoo, all right? Now let's keep listening to the benefits, ladies. This shampoo, the Shima hair repair shampoo, is a very rich, almost creamy, but it won't sud up. And that's why, because it's sulfate free. All right, I made my shampoo be sulfate free, because sulfates, sulfate based shampoo, sulfate based anything, in the long run damages our hair. It dries up our hair, and we don't want that. We're looking for our hair not to get dry. We're looking for our hair to be moisturized, because black hair tends to be very dry by nature, and we're trying to avoid that. Okay, so Shima hair repair shampoo does not sud up. It is a sulfate-free shampoo, ladies, and it's also protein infused. And what have we learned about protein, ladies? I've spoken about proteins in many of my lives. Our hair is made out of protein, okay? And what happens? We damage our hair. We remove that protein by damaging our hair with chemical treatments, with hot irons, overusing heat implements, like curling irons, hot irons, flat irons, using a lot of wrong products. We damage our hair to the point that we lose the protein in our hair. Okay, so the Shima hair repair shampoo will help us infuse that protein back into our hair. Okay, and that's what we need. We need to repair our hair, renew our hair, and add moisture into our hair and remove all the damage we've done to our hair, willingly or unwillingly. All the damage we've done to our hair by using the wrong products on our hair. Okay, by using the wrong hair care techniques on our hair. All right, we need the right products in our hands, ladies. Okay, we need the right products in our hands so that we can get to the hair growth length of our dreams. All right, that's how we're going to have a very successful Shima hair growth journey, with the right products in our hand and listening to the correct information that I've shared with you in my Shima Hair 21 channel. So yes, that's where my Shima hair repair shampoo comes in, to add protein into our hair. Okay, so it's going to help us repair dry, damaged hair. And also, Shima girls, not only does the Shima hair repair shampoo add softness and manageability to our hair, but it also works on thicker than life hair. So if your hair is this thick, you're in good hands with the shampoo. However, if your hair is not this thick, you're also in good hands with the Shima hair repair shampoo, because remember, my Shima hair products contain the highest quality ingredients for black hair. So ingredients like biotin, ingredients like ginseng extract, all those wonderful ingredients, they're going to add thickness as well as hair growth into our hair. Okay, the Shima hair repair shampoo can be used once a week. Okay, and then you can skip it once to every other week. Okay, I also carry the Shima's moisture shampoo, but I need to bring that one back as well. That one you can use every day, but the Shima Hair Repair shampoo once a week will suffice, ladies. All right, and guess what, on top of all of this, on top of all these amazing benefits that my Shima Hair Repair shampoo can do for us, guess what, it also is very affordable, especially when you compare my shampoo to the other brands, and then you realize how much money you waste on the other brands that are just nothing but watered down cheap brands that don't really do what they say they're gonna do. They don't really deliver the results they claim they're going to deliver. Yet when you use my Shima Hair Repair shampoo, it will deliver the results it claims. So again, Shima girls, if you are a long-time user of my Shima hair products, then you know you have tested it out on yourself. Your family members have tested it out on themselves. Your friends, your coworkers have tested out my products on themselves. Okay, you know for a fact, you can vouch that my products deliver everything as described. Okay, 95 to 99% of the time, Shima hair products will deliver everything as described. And with that said, you don't have to take my word for it. Don't take my word for it. Just go to my official website at shimahaircare.com, click on the how-to videos, look at the testimonials, look at the real-life pictures of our Black women from all over the world that have been using my products, and look at the results, look at their stories, okay? Just research it for yourself. It's right there on my website, shimahaircare.com. Okay, so check out the testimonials. They're there for us. Okay, I hope you use them as inspiration as well. That's great news. That's great news to see that the products really do deliver. That's what we're looking for. Now remember, ladies, I've been here what? I've been here since when? Since 2007, which means what? I've been here almost 16 years on YouTube, on the YouTube community, in the hair section, okay, the black hair section, okay, teaching our Black women how to grow fairy tale mythical hair for about 16 years now. You know, helping our Black women break that myth that black hair can grow, you know, down to the waist, down to the butt. You know, I've been here still encouraging, still inspiring, and giving us the strength that yes, our hair, black hair, can grow to fairy tale mythical hair. I mean, if it wasn't for that, I would have been off of YouTube a long time ago. You know, why be here? You know, I would have been doing something else with my YouTube channel. Why would I still be here? You know, or at least teaching, you know, about black hair care. I would have been forgotten about, you know, helping our Black women, you know, reach anything. I could have cared less. I would have been doing, you know, not bashing celebrity channels, but I would have been talking about, oh, celebrities probably. You know, something that will not, you know, be of benefit to us. You know, growing black hair, you know, it builds self-esteem. It gives us, you know, inspiration to do other things, to reach other, you know, goals in our lives. You know, because when we look good, we feel good. You know, we feel like we can take over, and you know, the world. You know, we feel like we're walking on air. Okay, and you know, it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling, you know, to achieve your goal, to have the products that really help us achieve our goal when it comes to growing hair, our hair, black hair, to fairy tale mythical length. Okay, that's my model in Shima Hair 21. Fairy tale mythical lengths. You know, forget past shoulder length, forget waist length. Fairy tale mythical length is achievable for black hair as well, for us Black women. All right, so don't let nobody tell you any different. So yes, ladies, just to let you know that the Shima Hair Repair shampoo is definitely back in stock. It's definitely back into our hands where it belongs. Okay, and very soon I'll get all the other products back in stock as well. Okay, so shimahaircare.com is the official website where you can get all of my Shima hair products. Okay, thank you for listening, ladies. I'll be back real soon. Take care.